Have you seen Mikaro and some other Gacha tubers using this smooth face moving effect? They're basically using what I call a displacer. How to use a displacer in Alight motion. In Alight motion, bring a picture of your character. This is my little sister. Tap on the plus, then add a rectangle, scale it up to fill the face. Go to color and fill and change the fill to gradient. After that, set it to radial gradient, make the center white and the other color black. Then apply the displacement map effect from the distortion warp category. Adjust the offset or swipe on preview to smoothly move the face around. Add a keyframe, go to another point in the timeline and adjust the offset, which will automatically add another keyframe, and an animation will be created. You can change the size and location of the displacer layer for it to move different areas. Just note that if you group the image and the displacer, it will be messy, so export it as is without the grouping. I learned this from Vinny's head tint tutorial many years ago and shared it back in 2021.